Hello guys, once again this is PVTech for Africa Solar, and today we are in Nakuru where we have done a 5 kilowatt solar system. We have already installed it here. We have our 4 batteries of 200 Ah each. Here with us we have the distribution box. As you can see, the orange one is the SPD, so basically this is used to help the system protect the system from lightning. Power surges. We have a DC disconnect right here. So this is just to separate the wiring done. To separate the panels from the entire system, just in case you want to do repair on this system, you just switch this off. So I'll just give a good example on how it operates. So if I switch this off, it means I've disconnected the panels from this system. As you can see right now, it's at night, so we can't have the panels icon here, but ideally if you switch that off, you'll always see the icon for the panels going off. So we also have the breakers for the AC output. This is just to protect the system from being overdrawn, especially if you have high power consuming loads from the house. These breakers will protect the inverter from getting overloaded. Here with us we have gel batteries. So these are gel batteries, 200 each. And if you'd want this kind of system, just visit our offices in Kisumu and Nairobi. I'll show you on the systems that are being used on this system. The loads that are being used on this system. So right now it's at night. I'm just going to go out to show you viewers on the system. The appliances that are being used on this system. So as you can see, this is the light for the powerhouse. We have a light here. This light is on solar. The TV is also on solar. As you can see, we have security lights. This whole compound is lit by solar. I know the lights are so bright, but as you can see, all the security lights are working, and this place is well lit. The lights here at the kitchen, we have the fridge is also working on solar. So if in case you do want this kind of system, just contact us or reach us out on our system, on our contacts, and we'll be able to help you. So as you can see, we have the TV also working on solar. The house is on solar, the same system, the 5 kilowatt system. Thank you.